Determining the pH of different solution. Click to play the following video and observe how to determine the pH of different solutions.
Apparatus and chemicals: ethanoic acid, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonia solution, universal indicator in a dropper bottle, standard pH chart, 4 test tubes in a test tube rack. Add 2 to 3 drops of universal indicator in each solution in the test tube and note the color of the solution. Compare the colors of the solution with the colors given on the universal pH chart to determine the pH values.
From the above experiment, we can say that hydrochloric is strong because the pH of the solution is found to be in the range of 1 to 3, while ethanoic acid is a weak acid since the pH range is between 4 to 6. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base since the pH range is between 11 to 14, while ammonia solution is a weak base as the pH range is 8 to 9.